Hello everybody, it's Amber from MicroArtistry, and I just wanted to pop on today to talk to you about our products. So we have some exciting news. We have Backbar Sizes that are in stock now. So I wanted to talk about the differences in the products that we've had and then the products that we have now, and kind of talk to you about all of that. So this is the box that comes in your starter kit currently when you are a brow lamination student with MicroArtistry Academy. So there's a whole kit that comes with it. So this is part of your kit. You get the pretty box with the cleanser and the aftercare and the henna and all of that stuff. But you also get this one, which we don't really show too much on social media for, I guess this is kind of like the other stuff is prettier. So when you open it, you can see that we have the essential toolkit for up to 25 treatments, our tame adhesive, and then we have our 3 products, Elevate, Balance, and Glaze. So these all come in airless pumps, and you just kind of squeeze it, and it's a starter kit, you guys. So this is meant to kind of get you through your training, and then you can purchase larger sizes, which is the goal, right? So what we have, which I would like to reveal today, is our 3 brand new Backbar sizes. So we have Elevate, which is our largest 20 milliliter. So these two, Elevate, Balance are going to be 20 milliliter, and then Glaze comes in a 10. So these are our Backbar sizes, and they are available now, and you can purchase them right now on our website at browlaminationsupply.com. So let me show you the difference between this starter kit and this one. So this one is our brand new syringe packaging. So take a look at this baby. This is everything. For me, everything right here. So this is going to give you guys 40 to 50 plus brow laminations if you are conservative with your product, and this packaging makes it so that you will not waste product. You're going to squeeze your product out just like a syringe with your thumb, and it's really amazing how little product you actually need to do a brow lamination. So the product's going to come out of the squeezy tube. Let me see if I can get that to focus. And so then you're going to have this as your back bar instead of these teeny tiny little 5 milliliters. So starter kit, which you can still buy. Actually, the starter kits are going to be phased out. And so all of these starter kits right now are buy one, get one half off on the website. So you have to add 2 to your cart. And when you go into the checkout page, you're going to see that this is half off the second one. Okay, so it's great. If you guys are just looking to start and try a new product, this comes with a whole bunch of awesome stuff for like a newbie who's just trying to get into brow lamination. It comes with these little dental sticks, and it has the 2-sided plastic comb thing that you can lay the brows down with, and then we also have the spoolies. Okay, so this pretty much comes with everything you need, including the tame adhesive if you choose to use adhesive with your brow laminations. And so our Backbar sizes are just going to come like this. We have a 3-pack that you guys can buy. So the 3-pack is called our trio. So you get all 3 of these, plus you're going to be getting a brow lamination aftercare 20-pack with that for $195 right now. So this obviously is so worth it, because a lot of people charge at least $100 for a brow lamination. $95, $75, $125, it just depends on what you guys are charging in your area. But you can get 40 to 50 brow laminations out of this. This only has 20 aftercares, so you're gonna have to potentially buy another aftercare down the road. These are $35 on our website, and it comes with 20 of these brow lamination aftercare pouches you send home with your client. Okay, so it makes your lamination procedure very easy, and this has lots of great ingredients for the eyebrows, for growth, and for breakage prevention for your clients who may or may not be as loving to their brows as they need to be after a lamination. Okay, so anyways guys, I just wanted to show you how awesome these new syringe packages are and tell you that they're available now and that they're on sale. So $195 for the full month of October and maybe into November, just depends on how things are going. And then after that, they go up to $225. So if you buy this now, you're gonna have it shipped out immediately, and this will last you a long time. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. And if you guys are looking for the starter kit, this is on sale. It's buy one, get one half off. Okay? Hope you guys enjoy. It's browlaminationsupply.com, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.